What I wish I knew about Claude AI before today, it's not just another chatbot. Claude AI, developed by Anthropic, is revolutionizing the chatbot landscape. Unlike traditional chatbots, Claude is built with ethical principles at its core. This constitutional AI approach ensures the chatbot generates safe, unbiased content, making it a standout in professional settings. But what truly sets Claude apart? Its ability to process large amounts of text while maintaining context. This makes it a game changer for handling lengthy documents and complex conversations. Plus, Anthropic's commitment to privacy means your conversation data is deleted, addressing concerns about data retention. In a world where AI is rapidly evolving, Claude AI's emphasis on ethics and privacy positions it as a responsible choice for various applications. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a professional seeking reliable AI tools, Claude AI is paving the way for a safer, more ethical future. Thanks for tuning in to Won't Stop Trending. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the latest tech innovations.